Both Kristen and Angel's up top.
Gotta make a choice.
Oh,
Bro! Angels!
Cologne with the cover.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Lawson, and today we're going to react to, oh my god, wrestling highlights, all wrestler Revolver editions by BDWJ Forever. Now, this is where I wanted to react to Wrestling Revolver if they allow me to, because I don't want to get like copyrighted strike or anything. But I know so, in the indies, it allows you to react to it every single time. But I was gonna ask them that, if I'm gonna get the chance to react to it, for the matches and all that, because I gotta tell you, those matches were actually good. Cause I see John Moxley, I see I see Mike Bailey, I see most of them I know about, because I'm not gonna lie, kind of this one, this match is gonna be like very epic. If I get the chance to react to it, then I probably get the chance to it. So yeah, but I decided to do one reaction videos because I don't know. I guess there's nothing else for me to do here for today, of course. So yeah, but yeah, but it looks quite interesting. I think I already see most of the intros, but we're just gonna go back, start from the beginning once again. So yeah, if y'all want me to see Wrestling Revolver, let me know, cause I know this match is gonna be quite a lot of fun. I ain't gonna lie, man. But yeah, so let's check it out in 5, 4, 3, 2. Yep.
It's an open invitational. I am frightened for her life.
She's facing the wrong way.
Oh my God!
Wait, off the apron. Oh, is he gonna do a dive? Is he gonna do a dive? Off the, oh my God! Holy cow!
Oh, and got stopped. Home. Romero got a chair in the way. And
could be looking for that spin out power bomb.
Oh!
There on the floor into the guardrail.
That's a lot of people to move. It's like New Year's.
Oh! That was
got power bomb into the crowd.
Wow.
Let me fill you in. AR Fox is kind of
my
ring man.
That was
Get it right. Don't forget it either.
Oh God. Are we gonna do a power bomb double suplex?
Nice!
Oh my
That's
God,
nice
that was
right there.
amazing.
Oh. Oh God. Oh no.
no way!
Oh!
Jessica!
The powerbomb through the door.
No!
What?
Oh!
Jake seems to be in control here.
Whoa, wait. Or does he?
Woo! Damn! Nice.
Out of nowhere.
Maybe Swerve is in trouble now.
Oh, God!
Oh my God!
Sunset!
From these fans is now Conley.
Can't possibly look at this.
Cade.
Oh,
Cade,
Jesus.
for Christ's sake! Notify his neck.
Top.
I have professional corporate sponsors.
10% off.
Ain't landed
Speaking of hops.
Nice. Pancake?
3, I'm counting bodies, and there's one missing. Crash Jack!
Oh, no.
Crash!
No! No! Oh, God!
Cross body!
Oh God! Here comes Jason Cade.
Oh!
I didn't see what that
Ew.
man landed on, but I heard it, and I don't like it one bit.
I
That
heard it.
sounded
I don't like
terrifying.
it.
Coming from because we know that Macklin will
That's a
stoop
lot
to
of weight,
anything.
man. That's what
Oh!
a guy!
What a dive by Macklin.
And number 3 in a row.
Oh, Cologne. Just barely balancing.
Oh!
God. What destruction. Cologne got the best.
Of discretion.
Here comes Manskow. Oh, Manskow. First into the barbed wire. Oh, Manskow. No! James taking out Manders on the barbed wire. Absolute insanity. Is this it? Matrix with the cover.
It'll be on the Christmas.
No! Oh, for the love of God!
Christmas bam! Oh, he missed.
Singular
I think he was
Spanish
gonna land it
fly.
right to that
What's going
board.
on? Everybody's looking. That's Johnny. That's Nevaeh's daughter. That's Johnny.
What?
That's got to be
Oh,
Johnny.
yeah, I
Johnny,
think I
Johnny.
seen it.
What? What is she doing?
Yeah, I see it.
What? Oh!
Now shattered.
Oh my God. I forgot it was a thing. I did not know that can absolutely does that. A kid wrestled a grown woman. Oh, that my bad. Jordan and Grace just that is called wrestling. That is called wrestling right there. Oh my God.
For the millions of little pieces.
Oh!
Goodness. Cologne ducked right on. I know if he could do it, but you never bet against
Oh,
Swanee.
God!
Oh!
How's an elevated KIA there to Rich Swan through the door, and that'll do it. Massive.
Go to the pay window, but that's going to be a long,
be John
painful
Moxley,
walk
man.
tonight. Chris!
Oh!
Pile driver through the door!
Oh, can she get up? Whoa!
Oh!
That could be it.
That's it. That's it.
Minutes here.
Swan, the most celebrated athlete in Revolver.
Oh!
Oh!
Swan was looking for maybe a cross body there, caught by Macklin out of midair, who now.
Oh!
Oh my God! Just using Swan as a jab.
Attempting to put Abaddon away here anytime soon, just
Abaddon.
looking to dish out more punishment. Oh, steel chair across the spine.
And now Eric Young.
Eric Young.
Manser.
Oh!
Through the chairs. That has to be it. New champ.
Perhaps looking to end this right here, right now.
Oh! Oh! God
Just
damn!
planting him with the steel chair, and now.
Positioning.
Oh,
Oh, no.
God,
over
no.
the chair.
That's a human being.
Oh!
And this has to be it.
No!
Doing. He's on the outside. Oh!
Oh! Oh shit!
Sent into that pile of chairs and barbed wire by Matrix. Feeling a steel chair has on the spine.
As Swan going for that 450 there, Macklin out of the way, and now returning faces Swan. Oh, you know what's coming here. Bang, bang. Caught him with crosshairs is Swan. For Tombstone, maybe. Jessica saving Rosemary there. Wait, look out, JT. Done!
Oh, right into the chair.
Name them. They all hate Allie.
I mean, and I don't blame them. I hate anything that has to do with the unit. JT Dunn, Allie.
Oh! Yes! Yes!
Right now after that.
Hey, good ass equal friends, man.
You hear that one around the world.
Oh.
Oh!
Romero out of the way just in time.
Oh, man.
And Lindsay gets launched.
Eyes of old Manser. Green right to the eyes.
And now
Rascals!
into the pile
It's the pin.
for the titles.
Yes! Yes! That's almost 300
Oh!
pounds.
Oh!
God.
Crashing down on Justice.
Ricky just hurling chairs
God,
at SGC. Nelson Bomb.
Look at Swerve. He's gonna fly.
Double swerve stomp to both members of Infrared.
Down, he and Leo
Oh,
Rush.
no.
No. Ah, Jesus.
Victory drive.
Oh, God.
It's like a fireworks. On
It's
another
Christmas
Some
mayhem.
pandemonium.
Oh.
Oh, but JT Dunn right there.
Out on the floor, we know there's
Oh.
Now Billy superplex, but Alley catch also rolling through.
Wow.
Death Valley
Oh.
driver through the door.
But no DQ.
Penelope wins. Man Scout's going to quit.
Oh no.
Oh,
He's got
God.
Penelope up.
Oh. Incorrect equal fights, man.
Good. Stupid, sexy stomp.
Woo!
Oh my God. How many doors has Trey been sent through?
And that's at least
Clutch superplex, which I've heard is a move on a video game that kids do now. Double stomp, low key style from Stallion.
All jokes aside, this is.
Oh my God. What a double
I was
stomp.
gonna say all jokes aside.
Oh,
this
what
is a
the
dangerous
oh,
match.
man.
That it is.
And nobody,
Oh.
nobody has.
John Moxley into the glass.
There's
and
John
JT
Moxley.
Dunn.
Oh, God, Cristo.
Oh, no. Just curb stomped into the
No
glass. And
touch.
now Moxley dropping James.
Oh.
Stop through the door.
Good night, Athena.
Two.
He kicked out, man. He kicked out.
Loading up Chris.
Oh, this is bad news for Chris.
Oh, a gory bomb onto the floor, onto a.
Vote for the Man Scout to be the best representative of the male gender in the first place. He's got a whole host of his own problems.
Oh, God.
He just.
Oh. There's my belly.
It's that.
Oh.
Knee strike to the temple. Two. Oh.
and now to follow up. Whoa! Anders out of the way.
Oh.
And another lariat, taking the head off Crash Jackson into the cover. That's it.
No.
Oh, split.
Oh, an apron.
I just threw up.
On wobbly legs here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Swan might be looking for the cutter here.
Yes!
Oh, he got him! Through
Yes!
the door to the floor.
Haymaker there, Reed.
Oh,
my God! Byron Reed!
Yes!
Both Kristen and Angels up top.
Gotta make a choice.
Whoa!
Catch
Bro.
Angels.
I would not forget about that. That was a perfect timing right there. That's why.
The cutter.
That's why I freaking love that
Zach
cutter.
Wait a minute.
I swear to God.
Looking for a cutter.
Oh!
God, send every ambulance in the world here right now.
On the second rope.
Oh!
A head scissors driver with Jackson.
These guys are tagging each other right now.
Nice.
Ricochet
Nice.
lost it. Vertical base and Strickland connects flush. Ricochet to his feet. Pulls the high follow through.
Or not. Oh no.
Trying to elevate Janela off the top. Oh my God!
Oh, the most ghastly.
Lifting up Catch, turning her upside down.
Oh!
Rikishi driver in the barbed wire.
That's it.
Oh my God! Look at this! JT Dunn!
Tombstone pile driver on. Taking a page out of Sammy's playbook, but paid for it. A choke into the tax.
Would you look at
Eliminating Ty
Painful.
Valkyrie from the equation.
But there's Phil
again.
Stanford.
Oh, now he's getting in and doing some work.
Oh! Not Phil!
Not
All the way up high to get through this tower.
This could do it. This could finish off Jay Christ. Oh! Jay Christ takes Mike. Oh! Jesus Christ! No! Cologne with the cover.
1, 2.
No!
What? Ah, no, the game over yet. Oh my god, man. Oh, that is crazy. That is definitely crazy. That's what reminds me of the ECWs. The old school ECWs. Yeah, I probably have to watch it anyways. But that was a crazy Christmas mayhem right there, man. I ain't gonna lie. I wish they would add that one up for the match, I hope. That'd be so cool, man. But yeah, that was a fun clip of the wrestling Revolver. I think I might check that one out if I can. If they allow me to react to it. Because I don't want to get like copyrighted strikes. So yeah, hopefully they'll allow me to do that. Because it looks very fun. I'm going to see if I can, see if I can see some more matches of it. So yeah. But that was insane right there, man. That was definitely insane because I don't know how, but that is insane. That's absolutely insane right there, man. But yeah, that was crazy. I gotta say, man, that's what I still like about, pro wrestling, man. Still, man, like, this is wrestling. All the death mess, slamming into barbed wires and doors and light tubes and chairs and all that. Man, like, this pro wrestling is really fun. It is. It's really fun. I ain't gonna lie, man. But yo, I think that's gonna be it for today. So I'm sorry, but I'll try to do some more of the reaction next time if I can. So sorry, but yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. Click the bell notification down below, and I'll see y'all next time. This is Tyler signing out. Bye. Ooh, that was freaking crazy.